What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Alligator Loki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw the bottom edge of the brow. Let's start over on the left. Start by curving this down and across. Go up toward the top. It's going to round out the top of the brow and then come down along the side. Now I want to tuck the eye in underneath the brow, so on the inside I'm going to draw an oval going all the way around towards the outside and then tuck that in. And then along the top, add a fold, going up and then down. Let's pull the pupil towards the right side. So we're going to tuck a circle underneath, and we'll fill that pupil in black. Now we're going to move over towards the left side and draw the top edge of the muzzle. So we're going to start down here, going up, come down, and then back up, round up the side of the muzzle, and then pull that back down. Let's go to the inside of the brow. It's going to pull this out and then down. Now let's draw the back side of the brow. Starting up here, curve this around and then down on the inside. Leave a gap, draw the top of the brow going up above the right eye and then down towards the side. Let's layer the lower jaw on top. So we're going to step out, curve this up, come down along the inside, and this up towards the eye. Come back down and then curl that up towards the top. Now up here it's going to add a fold across the corner of the mouth. Let's go back over towards the left. We're going to draw the bottom of the chin. Come down, go all the way across towards the outside, towards the right. Let's round out the cheek and just pull that in towards the base of the brow. Let's close off the top of the head. Start on top of the left brow, going up and then in behind, step back, going up, across the top of the right brow, and then down on top of the cheek. Now I want to separate the lower jaw, starting from the corner of the mouth, going all the way around, and then out. Let's add two slits on the top, coming in to the nostrils. And then we're going to add the fangs. Let's start from the outside, go up, and then down, step over and draw that again. Let's go up towards the top of this curve and point a fang coming down and up. Move over and add one going up and then down. Now directly above the right eye, we're going to add that first horn. We're going to go all the way around towards the top and then bend that down towards the end. And I just want to taper this so it gets wider as you come around and then back in on top of the head. Let's add another horn over on the left side. We're just going to bend this out further, go all the way around, and then down toward the tip. And then again, just tapering this so it gets wider as you come back in. Now with the head complete, let's draw on the back of the neck. We're going to start underneath the cheek, bend this around, and then down. Step back up, come down and out, and then back down. Now I want to move in and draw that front arm. Let's start up here, bend this out and then down towards the heel. And we'll add that first claw, going across and then down towards the tip. Then it's up and back out. Let's layer two more claws going over towards the left. Starting from the end, come down, go up, then in. And do that one more time. And go up, across the top of the hand and in. To the top of the last claw, we're going to bend the arm, going up, across the shoulder, and out. Now let's draw the front of the body. Starting underneath the chin, start by coming down, bend this out, round out the body, and pull that in behind the front arm. Now I want to draw that same hand in behind the body. So we're going to start down here, bend this out, and then down toward the first claw, go up, and bend that in. Now just like we did in the front, we're going to add two more claws, just tucked in behind. Let's move out and draw the outside of the arm, bending this in and then up towards the body. Now we're going to move to the back of the body, step in, curve the back leg, going out and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to draw those same claws, going across and then down, go up and then out. Let's add a couple more claws. And from the top of the last claw, it's going to bend the leg, going in, up, and then out. Let's continue the curve of the body in between the legs. Go to the right side. Just going to work our way around the tail, going around and up. Bend this in. Let's curl the tail and then pull that back down. Let's go all the way up towards the top. Just going to taper the tail so it gets thinner as you go all the way around and out towards the end. Let's add that trim along the inside of the body, starting underneath the chin, bend this around, and then out in behind the arm. Let's continue towards the tail, going out and blending that up. Now inside that trim, we're going to add some curves, starting on the left, on the top, bend this down and up, leave a gap, and we'll just continue down towards the bottom of the body. And we'll add those curves across the end of the tail, bend this out and up. Let's go back and separate the tip of each claw with a curve. And I'll add a row of bumps along the back of the tail. Let's start from the back. I'm going to add this curve. I'm just going to follow the curve of the tail going all the way around. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Alligator Loki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for joining me, and now let's roll the spotlight.